Hi everyone, we're off down to the Eden Project for today. I thought I would bring you along with us. I love the Eden Project, and on top of that, Dalefoot Compost and the Eden Project have teamed up. They just won gold at the Royal Chelsea Show, what is absolutely brilliant, and it's inspired me to take a visit. So I thought I would bring you along with us, and yeah, let's try and inspire you and show you something different. So we're now at the Eden Project, and wow, this place is awesome. So we're going to walk around, I'll show you some bits, but I'm not going to do too much talking. This is what the Eden Project used to look like in 1998. I have no idea what those orange flowers are, but they are beautiful. So this here is a Australian tree fern, Dixonian, Antarctica. One day I will own one. So I can't get over the size of these domes. Huge. You have one that is the Mediterranean one, and you have one that is the rainforest. Absolutely love all the ferns. It's got to be my favourite plant. I'm hoping they have some in the plant store on the way out, because I want a Dixonian. This place is huge, and we're going to try and have a walk around and show you as much as possible. So the last time I come here, so much of you wanted to know more. I think I would be happy with these domes. I wouldn't need no land, I was just growing them. Some giant tomatoes, maybe a few cucumbers. So the row after row of what I believe is grapevines. Wow. They're like trees. It looks like they've been grafted onto trees, but I don't think they have. Loving this like little wild section. I love these alliums. They are so purple. Beautiful. So much better coming this time of year than in November. So much more growing.
I'll do it on this side. I'll put another leaf in.
Fantastic.
Oh, it's for my bicycle. This is...
Colour of those fans are strange and awesome. I want some. Not sure what they are, so if you know, let me know, because I want some of them for my garden. Absolutely beautiful. It'd be lovely to have a pond like this for the ducks. They would be very, very happy. There's just so many little gardens here. I love it. Like you walk around the corner, there's a different one. This one here is all the carnivorous plants. There's so many different ones that never existed. They definitely have good slug control here, because the hostas are looking absolutely beautiful. They do also use Dalefoot compost here, I believe. There's lots of people around, so I'm trying to get as much footage as possible. Lots of poppies, but I love these iris. The colours are different to the ones I have. So now it's time to go in the dome, and the first one we're going to go in is the Rainforest Biodome. Lovely and warm in here. I have no idea what they are, but they are rather cool. Lots and lots of banana trees. We have sweet potatoes growing here, sugar cane, and you got dirt, and you got turmeric as well. Red ivy. There's an absolute monster of a fig tree, and there's figs everywhere. That's cool. They're growing some loofahs next to what is a cool cabin. Now we're going to go have a walk up in the canopy. So I love that you get to walk up amongst the trees, the things you would never get to see. Wow. Now that is a waterfall. I can't believe that. It feels so good walking past it. Nice and cool. Well, I'm going to show you quite a bit of in here, and yeah, now you have a bit of an idea. It's very vast, there's lots to show you, but it's hard when you don't know what much stuff is to tell you. They are palm oil trees. But they have these little partridges in here. They are so cute. I would love a couple of them for myself to breed. That'd be awesome. They're even growing a pineapple. So I believe that is the end of this dome. Now we're going to move on and look at some more bits. This is vanilla. Well, it's pretty cool. This fern's patterns are amazing. So they have like a mini allotment, a mini greenhouse. They got squash, lots of potatoes, looks like lettuce. I love that mini greenhouse. It is very small, but it's cool. Notice they got loads of squash in that bed and that bed, and I think globe artichokes. So just seeing this very, very cool vegetable garden. Had to come in and have a look. It's great to see the Eden project using tyres. So many people moan about them. As long as they're not damaged, they're fine. Oh, elephant garlic, they need to cut their scapes off. Lots of different onions, potatoes. It's pretty cool. I didn't see any of this last time I come. More garlic by the looks of it. And a cherry tree, if I'm right. Nope, I think it's a bum, Mirabella. I think that's the same one I actually grow. It's pretty awesome. Peas, beetroot, squashes. I love this little allotment, it's pretty cool. But that's enough of this one. Absolutely love this Lavender Hill. Absolutely beautiful, and I bet it's amazing in flower. We have one last dome to go in, and that is the Mediterranean dome. But I bet the bees absolutely love this lavender. We're trying to get some of these signs in, so at least you can pause it and have a read. There's some cool facts about what like lavender does. Like, lavender is the name for Latin lava, to wash, sun-loving survivor, medicine, herbs, fragrance, essential oils. It's absolutely beautiful. So now we are in the Mediterranean dome. It's not as big as the other one. We have a very, very quick walk through. Huge olive tree. Also, I will say it smells absolutely beautiful in here. These are all orange trees. Orange, limes. Wow. One day I'll have one. They look like giant daisies. Not much left to show you. I'm going to finish off this little bit. Last time I was at the end, they had lots of tomatoes, so it'd be interesting to see what they have this time. Lots more fruit trees, peppers, lots of peppers. I bet the chilies. And this is all the tomatoes. I come here in November last year, and this is green and ripening. It was crazy. But we'll come back later in the year and check on them. Now that is both of the domes done, I'm going to still walk back through here. Yeah, if there's anything that catches my eye that I haven't shown you, I will show you. There's just so much. I'll be here all day if I showed you everything. So I absolutely love this garden. It was a bit busy when I come in here earlier, so we'll have another look. So water runs from over here and to there. It is rather awesome. So there's water all around there as well. Definitely looks like something that would be at Chelsea. Planting is absolutely beautiful. I think that is it for me today. I'm getting very tired. My feet hurt. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's brought you some ideas and show you a bit more what the Eden project is about and what it's like for you that can't get down here. I'm going to try and come regularly and start doing a few more videos so you can see the progress over the year. I think that'd be pretty cool. Eden project, they have plants for sale, so yeah, picking up a few. I just saw Dixonian ferns, so I think I'm gonna have to get one. I can't not. I haven't really got the money, but it's a Dixonian fern for £20. So I did buy myself a few plants, some herbs, a papaya fruit tree, and of course, a Dixonian fern. But it's time for the drive home. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment, and give the video a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see each other soon.